Hey folks, this just in. I'm sorry, I have to apologize. I I was looking at this earlier and I had mentioned it, and then I didn't go and mention the inverse of it. And here it is now. We gotta go. So, oil. Alright. If you remember, I was saying on this bar we were getting that sell off in oil. Well, there's an inverse to this trade, and it is called DRIP. DRIP. Alright? Direxion shares, ETF trust, bear, 2x shares, DRIP, oil and gas. So the inverse to that trade, the oil trade, or crude oil trade, okay? The inverse to this is drip. And also, when drip is going up, gush, Gush, where you gush. Bear with me for a second here. Here we go. Gush. Oop, didn't start my timer. Hold on, gotta start my timer. Timer clock and timer and start. Alright. Gush is also the I don't want. It's not an inverse, but it's actually trades like the oil trade, basically. All right, you see the sell off and then the push up, like oil. Sell off, push up. Now we're getting the sell off in oil, and so gush is starting to follow it. So gush is the same as oil, only it's I don't know what to call it. It's an S&P bull ETF on oil and gas. How about that? Just like it's written there. All right. So we should start seeing this sell off as well as what oil is doing. So it should gush, and in drip should be the inverse of those two, and it should continue to go. It should go up as they go down. As you can tell, they're a little bit slower than how oil is moving, but they should. Drip should do the opposite. Gush should do the same. So we got that. The initial bounce up, then we got the sell off, and now we should get the turnaround and heading back up again. Drip should start to roll over and push up and go push higher as long as oil continues to sell off. So we'll see what happens with that, how that reacts, because currently it's just kind of slow reacting to compared to how oil is moving, and I don't understand because it's a 2x. So you would think it would be right on time or even faster than oil can sell off. It can push higher, something like that. But as you can see, oil is selling off, and drip should be in the next day or two starting to roll over and head up. All right, at least coming back up to retest the $17 area, depending on how far oil wants to take it down. And oil should be heading down to this pointer here at 55.12. But we'll see what happens. We did have some support here at around $58. So we'll see if that holds or if we continue to head down towards 55. Alright, so anyway, I wanted to pop in and mention that quick trade. Sorry I didn't mention it earlier because you should have been on standby for that one to pop off, so you can jump in there once you start seeing the buyers coming in. but I was thinking about it. I had already pretty much gotten myself in the trade already, and then I'm like, oh, there was, because it was another stock I was thinking about telling you guys about that I've been eyeballing for a minute, and then this one came to mind, and so I know oil was showing more selling pressure, and so I was like, okay, I need to tell them about drip before I head on into anything else. Okay, so that's all I got for now. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be careful out there. These markets are crazy.